little bit close. Funny. I can't record you if you want to be on the camera. You're so funny, Miko.
No, it's just that I can't stay here forever, and I can't...
No, don't chew on it.
And staying in the hotel would cost even more money.
I would never count on staying in a lot on Chloe, but my father's patient is going to begin. He thinks you did something to or something with his grandson.
I didn't. Do you believe that or not?
It would make life a lot easier if I did believe you.
Here we go. Say hi. Say hi. A little bit close, huh?